This is the new Replicant FX module set up as a Stormtrooper blaster. The sounds and behavior of the unit are configured in a SD card with your computer. Currently has one input on it for a trigger and one output for muzzle flash. You can put other inputs on, including a secondary fire, such as a grenade launcher, secondary reload, such as racking grenade launcher, and a clip insert removal. If the clip were removed, the gun wouldn't fire, you'd hear an empty sound, and when the clip was in, it would function normally. Turning it on and firing, you also have random radio noise, fully configurable. The rate at which these random other sounds are played is configurable. Again, this is the Stormtrooper configuration of the FX module, available at www.replicantfx.com.